Give me a musical comedy, yeah, buddy. Derp, 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 derpy, derpy, derp. Derp, 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 a herpy, derpy, derp. Everybody made a version of this already, yeah. But this'll be the worst one of them all, probably. I'm a fat guy in a tie at school, in a blending period, and that's cool. And you know I don't sing high notes. You don't have to cut me off. That's really, really freaking high. I don't wanna have to bust a nut. And you know that's what do falsetto. And you know this is bad parody. I don't care cause I'm having lots of fun. I was derping and a herping. And you know that you and somebody I used to know. Derp, 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 derpy, derpy, derp. I'm gonna do it like the guy from the B-52s. But you didn't have to cut me off. Make it like it never happened, and that we were nothing. I don't need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and it feels so rough. Tin roof rusted. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Derpy, derpy, derp. Derp, 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 derp. Worst parody ever. Send it to your friend if you like to troll him. Then they can be somebody that you used to know. VidCon less than a month away.